select the Quick Scanner shortcut from the home screen. To enter an email address, select Specify Destination. Unless your email is already in the address book, select Manual Entry, and then Destination. Now use the on-screen keyboard to enter your email address, and then select Done. Select OK. Select the first icon if you wish to choose colour scanning. Select the second menu icon to choose file types and resolution. Scans can be sent as PDF and JPEG file types. Adjusting the resolution alters the quality of your scan, with higher resolutions generally offering better quality. The third menu icon allows you to change original sides, orientation, and size. To scan both sides of a standard double-sided document, select two-sided top to top. Select OK. Once you have chosen your options, select Start to Scan and ensure that your documents are placed face up in the feeder.